Eye. A body part on our face that we use for seeing. Nose. Nose. The body part that is in the middle of our face and we use to smell and breathe. Hair. Hair. The thin thread-like things that grow on our head. Tooth. Tooth. One of the things in our mouth that are hard and white and we use to chew and bite food with. Lip. Lip. Each of the two soft body parts that surround our mouth. Neck. Neck. The body part that is connecting the head to the shoulders. Mouth. Mouth. Our body part that we use for eating, speaking, and breathing. Face. Face. The front part of our head, where our eyes, lips, and nose are located. Arm. Arm. One of the two body parts that is connected to the shoulder and ends with fingers. Leg. Leg. Each of the two long body parts that we use when we walk. Shoulder. Shoulder. Each of the two parts of the body between the top of the arms and the neck. Nail. Nail. The hard, thin layer on the upper surface of the tip of the finger and toe. Thumb. Thumb. The thick finger that has a different position than the other four. Finger. Finger. Each of the long, thin parts that are connected to our hands, sometimes the thumb, is not included. Hand. Hand. The part of our body that is at the end of our arm and we use to grab, move, or feel things. Knee. Knee. The body part that is in the middle of the leg and helps it bend. Foot. Foot. The body part that is at the end of our leg and we stand and walk on. Toe. Toe. Each of the 5 parts sticking out from the foot. Skin. Skin. The thin layer of tissue that covers the body of a person or an animal. Chest. Chest. The front part of the body between the neck and the stomach. Body. Body. Our or an animal's hands, legs, head, and every other part together. Stomach. Stomach. The area of the body in a vertebrate located between the chest and the hips. Back. Back. The part of our body between our neck and our legs that we cannot see. Waist. Waist. The part of the body between the ribs and hips, which is usually narrower than the parts mentioned. Hip. Hip. Each of the parts above the legs and below the waist at either side of the body. Heart. Heart. The body part that pushes the blood to go to all parts of our body. Brain. Being. The body part that is inside our head controlling how we feel, think, move, etc. Blood. Blood. The red liquid that the heart pumps through the body, carrying oxygen to and carbon dioxide from the tissues.